Hello and welcome to the unboxing video for Scene2Model. Here's how you can easily start creating innovation business model scenarios using the Scene2Model tool. You will need an OMiLAB Innovation Starter Package, which you can also easily make yourself. Here are the items you need: a camera arm, a camera, some glue, some pens or markers, some tape, scissors, some flashcards or post-its, and some holders for your figures. For your innovation scenario, you should also have prepared some haptic figures with corresponding QR codes. Feel free to use any of the figure libraries available on our website or create your own figures. Also, set up the camera arm as per its instructions. Now it's time to install Scene2Model on your computer. Just go to scene2model.omilab.org and choose Download for your operating system. The install documentation is available on our website. To use a domain-specific library, you can download a sample library from the Scene2Model website under Example Libraries. Download the library by clicking on it and extract it. For our example here, we have chosen the Healthcare library. Alternatively, feel free to also create your own library based on your area of expertise. To get started, you can use the template on our website. Go to Example Libraries for more information. In the tool, go to the Scene2Model Wizard button, choose the option Load Existing Library, and select your library. To get an overview, you can go to Library Management in the tool and select Generate Icon Overview. Of course, you can edit this library as you wish, for example by deleting or adding icons. Now you should be all set. So let's get started. First, attach your camera to the camera arm, connect it to your PC or laptop, and set it up to film your scene from above. Then, add the camera to the modeling tool. Open the Scene2Model wizard and select Run Local Camera Stream. Then enter the name of your camera. You can either use the randomly generated name or choose your own. Set up your haptic recognition service by clicking on the Streamed Image via Bucket, select the Bucket service and choose the camera stream which you defined beforehand. It's time to create your first scene with the haptic figures to build your innovative business model scenario. This is where you can get your team and other stakeholders involved and be creative together. Once you have your scene, you can import it into Scene2Model. To do this, click on the Run Recognition icon in the tool. Your haptic scene appears on your screen within seconds. As soon as it's ready, you can add further objects, text, and other elements to enhance your digital scenario. Now, you should have an overview of how to use the Scene2Model tool to create your own innovative business models. Thank you for watching and have fun with the tool!